All right, so right now we would just put mugs on the table, but the table is wooden, and if we put mugs on it, then the condensation will put marks on the table. And so I want to create and model a coaster that is round that can fit the mug, and then put hexagon cutouts in it. So just a cool design, make it spicy. So let's do it. So I just finished modeling it. It was a super simple process, but I gotta learn how to use the rectangular pattern tool so then I could relay the hexagons and then interlock them so it's like honeycomb. And so now my printer isn't working, so I'm gonna send it to my uncle so he can print it at his work because they're working 3 printers there, and we'll see if it works well. So sadly, I had to spend a whole hour taking all the rafts off of this because they weren't taken off right after the print was done, which is a bummer, but I learned next time that I need to take them off right after the print finishes. So I'm gonna make sure it works, make sure it can stand heat from like a hot mug, hot cup of hot chocolate, and then I'm gonna put it on Thingiverse, Makerworld, and Printables if you guys want to print them yourselves. I don't think you'll need rafts, but if you don't put rafts in, it might warp, so it might be a little bowed. So I'd say it was a pretty successful print and model. It was pretty simple. It didn't take me that long, but it'll be super useful for me and won't make watermarks on my table anymore.